Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO A15 and today I will show you how you can connect AirPods to this smartphone. So at first we have to open case of our AirPods, rotate them and click and hold this button. Let's make it. When the indicator is blinking, you can reach that key, move to settings, to Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, tap on the Bluetooth, and when they pop on the list, our AirPods, you have to tap on them, so be patient and just wait. We can check here for the all devices, and when we tap here, as you can see, AirPods are on the list, so tap on them to connect, and as you can see, after a few moments we are finally connected. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.